In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upgrade your Google Drive storage and share it with family members or other Google accounts. It's a straightforward process that should take you no more than 5 minutes, and it's a great way to make the most of your Google services. So let's dive right in and walk through the steps together. First, launch your preferred web browser and navigate to Google Drive. If you're already logged into your Google account, you'll see a grid icon in the upper right section of your screen. This is the Google Apps Launcher. Go ahead and click on it. This will show you a menu with all the Google services you can access. From this menu, locate and select the Drive icon. Clicking on this will take you to your Google Drive page, where you manage all your stored files and folders. On the left hand side of your Drive interface, you should see an option called Get More Storage. Click on it and it will open up a new page showing different Google One storage plans available for purchase. Now take a moment to review the various storage options. Google offers a range of plans to suit different needs with varying prices and storage capacities. Choose the one that best matches your requirements. Once you've made your decision, you'll need to click the Agree button to accept the terms and conditions of the plan. Next, Google will prompt you to review your new plan details and payment information. It's important to ensure everything is correct to avoid any issues later on. If everything checks out, proceed by adding a payment method. This ensures a smooth billing process for your new subscription. Once your payment method is entered and verified, click Subscribe to confirm your purchase. After you've successfully subscribed to a storage plan, go back to the Google Apps Launcher by clicking the grid icon once more. This time select Google One from the list. It's here that you can manage your Google storage and access additional benefits. In Google One, navigate to the Benefits section where you'll find an option titled Share Storage and More. Click on View Details to explore your sharing options. To share your upgraded storage with family members or other Google accounts, you can send out invitations. Simply enter the email addresses of those you wish to invite and click Send. The recipients will receive an email with your invitation, which they need to accept in order to join your family group. Once accepted, they'll be able to start sharing your Google Drive storage seamlessly. There you have it. You've now upgraded your Google Drive storage and set it up to be shared with family members or friends. This added storage can help you manage files and projects more efficiently and ensures that everyone you share with has adequate space to work with. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope you found this guide useful.